and we will show you how to do Minnie Mouse buns, and I have a little French braids on top, so let's spin you around. Showing off your Minnie Mouse buns. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let's get started.
Start off by splitting the hair straight down the middle and from ear to ear. I'm tying the bottom half of the hair into low ponytails. Now, pick up a small section of the hair from the right side and split it to 3 equal strands. Left strand goes over the middle and right strand goes over the middle. Left strand cross over the middle, pick up some extra hair and add it to that strand. Right strand goes over the middle, pick up some extra hair and add it to that strand. Left strand goes over the middle, pick up some extra hair and add it to that strand. And right strand goes over the middle, pick up some extra hair and add it to that strand. Continue braiding all the way down. I will fast forward the remaining of this braid, so once you reach the part line, make 1 or 2 extra stitches and tie the braid with an elastic. Since I'm doing the same French braid on the left side, I will do it off camera. Once I finished with my French braid, I'm going to let the hair out from the right bottom section and brush it to a high ponytail. For Minnie Mouse ears, I don't want my hair to be really brushed, so it's okay if you have some tangles. Now I'm taking my elastic and tying the ponytail going once, twice, and on my third loop, I'm making sure that elastic is going from front to back, and I'm not pulling the hair all the way out but leaving a little loop out that resembles already a small Minnie Mouse ear. So a little bit slower on this side. Make sure that all the hair is up. Now take your elastic. For Ariana's hair, I normally loop it 3 times to make sure that the ponytail is tied. So here I go once, starting from the front. Now twice going from back to front, and on my last loop going from front to back, I'm not pulling hair all the way through but leaving a little loop out. Now in the back you will have remaining hair, split it in half, and for now I'm just clipping 1/2 out of the way with the hair clip. Start twisting the other hair around and find a little tunnel within your loop. This is where you want to put all the remaining hair. So slowly start pushing the hair in the Minnie Mouse ear all the way in and use the bobby pin to secure the base of the ear. When it comes to Minnie Mouse, you can't have too many bobby pins. Put as many as you need to make sure that your ear stays secure. Now let out the other half of the hair out of the hair clip, twist it and find the tunnel on the other side of the Minnie Mouse ear and gently push the hair in the tunnel and secure the base of the ear with the bobby pin. Now to make sure that the hair is evenly spaced, I'm going from the middle of my Minnie Mouse ear and gently fanning out the hair to the edges. Moving on to the second ear, I'm finding where my tunnel is within the ear. taking the remaining sections of the hair, splitting it in two, and for now clipping the left side out of the way. Now twist, 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 find the loop and gently push the hair in the loop of the Minnie Mouse ear and secure the base with the bobby pin. Same thing with the other half of the hair. Find the tunnel within the Minnie Mouse ear, twist the remaining hair and gently push it in a tunnel and secure the base with the bobby pin. As the last step, fan out the hair going from the middle of the ear to the edges. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please share, like, and subscribe. Leave us a comment below to let us know how we're doing. Find us on Instagram at Brianna's Braids. We'll see you on our next tutorial.